Hey guys! So I bought Evan an Adventure Challenge Couples Edition for our 4.5-year anniversary. It's really cool. You scratch this off, you add a photo, you add a description of how you liked it, and it gives you these helpful little hints. And then there's a key here of what the activity could be. Sometimes it's eating, sometimes it's things to do outside. It's all the things.
The Helpless Baker. No. Great Indoors, Shape Thrifters, Ask Your Parents, Recipe for Disaster, Small Town Kids, Tour de Food. Are you down with that?
Maybe.
Alright, Tour de Food, here we go. What if it's cooking? What if it's cooking?
Let's do it.
Alright.
Tour de
$30 to
food? Yeah.
$60.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let the scratching begin. The date says, go on a progressive 3-course meal adventure from 3 different restaurants in one night. Appetizer, entree, dessert. Attempt a different accent at each place and give yourself a name. You must give that name to the server. Film yourself in character for 10 seconds at each location and post to social media after the date.
This is
Since
perfect.
This is going on our YouTube page.
Yeah, that counts as
This
social
is
media.
going to be a good challenge. Our first stop for appetizers is going to be Pho 88
Pronounced pho.
on Mills Avenue, and we are probably going to get some spring rolls.
And summer rolls.
Alright, so here we are outside of Pho 88.
Hi, I'm Janet.
Hi, I'm Jesse. And we're going to have ourselves a good Vietnamese eating. Right, Janet?
Yeah, Jesse.
Let's go. Gotta clean your hands in here, Janet.
Okay, Jesse.
Jen and I are in here at Pho 88. We ordered ourselves a nice boba tea.
And a nice iced coffee, because I'm not a fan of tea.
Cheers, Janet.
Cheers, and we even switched seats for the waiter.
Change seat.
Delicious.
Well, that's really good. I've never had anything like that before.
Are those blueberries
Pretty
or
delicious.
blackberries in there? Or are they prunes?
They're boba berries.
Or are they bubble berries? Are they bubble berries or are they bubble berries? It is pretty delicious.
I don't know what they are, but they taste like chewy pieces of plastic. They're delicious. Cheers, Janet.
Cheers, Jesse.
These are spring rolls.
These are fried egg rolls.
Goodness, I don't have these down in Alabama.
Fried egg rolls, and they serve them with sauce called fish sauce. And if you smell it, you think it smells like feet.
The feet sauce is delicious.
But it is really good on egg rolls.
You want me to make it spicy? I'll go.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
So nice.
That boba tea was delicious.
Yes, it was. And that iced coffee was delicious. And the vegetable egg rolls and the spring rolls.
Or summer rolls.
Or whatever they are.
Now we're going off to where?
We're going off to Taco China to get some tacos.
What's our new accent gonna be?
It is, well, I'm going to be Valley Girl.
I'm gonna be from England.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm John. I'm from England.
Came all the way from England to go to Orlando and to eat at Taco China.
Now we're at Taco China.
Now we're at Taco China. We just ordered some tacos.
And we got the Mary's Little Lamb.
Thai peanut chicken.
And the Korean beef.
And Tom Yum Moho shrimp. Cheers.
Alright, 2 places down, 1 left to go.
And we're going to get Kelly's ice cream.
Ice cream, sounds great.
If that's okay.
Jennifer and Jim from New Jersey.
That's right.
See you at Kelly's. Alright, so Jim got salted caramel.
And Jennifer got chocolate peanut butter brownie. Amazing.
Crunchy. Very caramelly.
Very chocolatey.
Thanks for joining us today on our adventure challenge. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more awesome videos with Ev and Ash. And make sure you watch our other videos featured at the end of this video. Until next time,
Hustle
hustle on.
on.